Here's our full roof installation process. A lot of people don't actually understand all the details that go into a full roof installation and even the demo. So today I'm gonna explain to you everything A to Z, and I'm gonna actually show you one of the jobs that we did from A to Z, everything that goes into a full roof removal and roof installation. The first thing that happens once we have the installation on schedule is we're gonna have a tear-off crew show up. The tear-off crew is gonna show up with a big dump truck, and then we're gonna go ahead and prep it for tear-off, which is gonna be covering any plants, making sure plants are protected, the pool, making sure debris doesn't get into the pool and the neighbors' yards. And we're gonna put tarps all on the ground as well to make sure it catches any nails, any debris. We don't want any of that in the yard. Don't want any animals stepping on anything, kids stepping on anything. So we wanna make sure we prep it all before the demo process because it can be messy. And then we put up our catch-all, which is gonna catch anything that shouldn't be falling in areas it shouldn't be falling in. And then demo day starts, which is demoing the full roof. We're gonna take off the roof. We're gonna take off any bad wood. After that, we're gonna go ahead and look at what wood is damaged, what needs to be replaced. And then at that time, we're gonna go ahead and replace any of that damaged wood so that we can go ahead and paper it in, basically waterproof this roof. At that point, that's when we take all the debris, we dump it all out, get rid of it. We take a magnet, get any nails off there, do a full cleanup, and then we go ahead and waterproof the roof, which is going to be putting underlayment down. Depending on the type of roof it is, you're going to have different types of underlayment. For shingles, you're going to go ahead and have most likely a titanium underlayment, which is a synthetic underlayment. We install that on the roof, and that's going to be your layer of waterproofing, making sure you're protected in case a random rain comes in. The next thing we're going to do is we have our specialized crew come in for the type of roof we're installing there. And they're gonna get there. It's usually a crew of 5 guys. You're gonna have a crew leader, and they're gonna go ahead and start installing everything else, from the flashings to the shingles to any skylights. If we did insulation, we're gonna add insulation at that point. And then we're gonna go ahead and start roofing the entire roof. We're gonna do all the valley metal, everything. And then we're gonna go ahead and finish it off with all the hip and then all the ridge. Make sure we have all the vents on there. They're all working properly. And then we do a final cleanup of the job, making sure it's all done. Everything's all cleaned up and the roof looks beautiful. At that point, we'll do a final job walk, making sure everything looks good, that you're happy with everything happening there. Then we go ahead and we take final photos of the job, give them to you. And then that is the full job completion process. Something else we like to do within that process is provide photos throughout the whole process if the homeowner wants it, so we can show them exactly what's happening on the roof. A lot of times homeowners get the roof done and they don't really know what's happening what day. So we want to make sure we're communicating and having photos the whole time during the process as well. So that is our full roof process, and it varies depending on the type of material that we're using, and absolutely varies depending on the type of material we're using. And in a lot of cases where we have multiple different roofs, since we use specialization, we have the shingle guys out there installing the full shingle roof, and then we have a flat roof section. We're going to have our flat roofers out there to do the flat roof section and then tie that back in. If we did solar, we would have the solar guys out there, etc. Gutters, whatever the service is, we have specialists for that service. And so we would make sure we tie that in. And that is our whole installation process. Let me know if you love this video and I can make more content like this. And anything you guys have questions on, happy to answer.